If error function handle the errors in a formula. If an error in expression, it returns the error message you specify in function arguments dialog box. If there is no error in expression, it returns the result. This is the name of function. This function has two arguments. In value box, type the expressions. In value if error box, type the error message. Click cancel. Active this cell. In formulas tab, function library group. Click logical arrow button. Click if error function. The function arguments dialog box open. In value box, click this cell reference. Enter division operator. Click this cell reference. Press tab key. In value if error box, type the error message divided by zero value. Click OK. Function returns the result in this cell. Because the expression entered in value box does not generate an error, copy and paste the formula in other cells. Double click. Active this cell. Function returns the error message in this cell. Because the expression entered in value argument has an error. Cell G9 has value 0. 56 cannot divided by 0. That is the reason function returns the error in this cell. Active this cell. Delete formula from this cell. Press delete key. Type equal sign. Click cell reference F9. Enter division operator. Click cell reference G9. Press enter. Cell shows formula error. So by using IFERROR function, you can display specific error message in a cell, or you can display the reason of error in formula by using IFERROR function.